Hey guys, it's Mike. I just wanted to share a quick tricks of the trade of how to effectively ventilate an infant. The first thing is, in any type of airway management, you have to make sure you open the airway and that the airway is clear. In this case, it is clear, but you do have to open and maintain an open airway. For the infant, that is in the neutral position. You do not want to hyperextend. You simply want to keep it in neutral position. In clinical practice or during training, you can always use a folded towel and place it underneath the shoulder blades of the infant, which will align it into a neutral position and maintain an open airway. When you use your BVM mask, place the mask from the nose, from the bridge of the nose over, and make sure you cover the entire place. Only slight pressure is needed to get a mask seal, and then hold it, bring the jaw slightly up into the mask. That gives you a good tight seal. Now, when you ventilate, instead of squeezing the entire bag, instead of using your hands like this, I like to use a technique called the trigger technique, where you simply compress your thumb, and that's all. This is what it looks like. So as we expose the chest, to watch for chest rise, what you're going to be able to see is chest rise with every single rescue breath. Now, to demonstrate this, I'm going to show the metrics on this computer screen.
You will be guided all the way through. Please give 12 breaths to the mannequin at a rate of 1 breath every 2 to 3 seconds. Just keep ventilating and follow the prompts. Start ventilating when you are ready. You're doing well. You're doing well. Great. Good. You're doing well. Thank you. You can stop now.
Now, rate is obviously also an important factor, so I count in my head 1 1,000, 2 1,000, breathe. 1 1,000, 2 1,000, breathe. And that's how you're able to successfully ventilate an infant and get a 100% score every single time. Notice also the consistency of the ventilation breaths. I was right in the middle target for every single ventilation by using simply the trigger technique.